Good morning, everybody. It's now almost 5 o'clock in the morning, and I will be going to photograph the white-tailed eagle today, also known as a sea eagle. I've got an hour's drive ahead of me, and there I will be met by a local guide ranger, and he is providing photo hides, and that's where I'm going to spend my day today. Packed my bag, can't see it over there, but it's there. Got food for the day, got coffee, and now it's time to go. See you there. So I have just arrived at the location, which is called Feldberg in the Feldberg Lake District, and this is just at the border between Brandenburg and Mecklenburg-Western Pomerania. And I've just met the guy that provides the hides and another guy that will sit there with me. And now we're driving to the heights, and then I believe we have to walk another 10 minutes to get to the actual height. And yeah, I'm very excited to go and see what it looks like, and I'll see you there. Alright, it's not the best light, excuse me, but I've just arrived back at the car from a day in the height. And yeah, I didn't record anything from inside because I didn't want to talk too much for obvious reasons, but it was a great day, a great time. We did get to see the eagle, which is super exciting. We saw other birds too, and it was just overall a very nice time, great experience. Glad that I've done it, and I will be back. We'll do it again. Yeah, super nice, super excited, very happy. Now I will head home. I've got an hour and a bit to go, and then I will make sure to warm up. It's gotten really cold now, and it's Champions League evening, so looking forward to that now. And to you, have a good morning, day, evening, wherever you are, and see you soon. Cheers.